Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Mailchimp.com. Mailchimp.com is a platform for those who want to manage their email marketing using both broadcast as well as auto responses. Mailchimp can also be used as an integrated platform with your cloud-based services. The design is like most internet service providers, where you are going to be able to deliver your email and within parameters expect that it will actually reach the inbox. The platform is used by both small players as well as large institutional players. As stated, there are direct application integrations, as well as direct partnerships that Mailchimp has with cloud-based services. In this course, we'll walk through the setup of your account as well as the use of it in order to build an email marketing list. And so we'll start that process in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.